Located in central Visayas, Siquijor is the smallest province in the region and the third smallest province in the country. Siquijor is a fourth-class municipality and capital of the province of Siquijor. It has a population of 28,915 people. It is recognized as a center of mystic power and a capital of mystic activities and black magic. Siquijor is known for the infamous Agimat and Dayuma. In spite of this, Siquijor offers incredible sights and is rapidly becoming one of the most popular tourist destinations in the country. Siquijor Island is approximately 343.5 square kilometers in size, making it a fairly big place to explore. The main tourist area is San Juan, which is a long stretch of coastline on the southwest side of the island. Here you'll find some of the most popular Siquijor tourist attractions, hotels, beaches, and resorts. November to May is the best time to visit Siquijor. The main economy and livelihood is tourism. Farming, bakery, basket weaving, banana production, and crafts making are some of the other industrial livelihood in Siquijor. Siquijor is popularly known throughout the country for witchcraft. A witches' festival is held at Crocodile Hill overlooking the Bay of Lazi and Mindanao Sea. Tourism in Siquijor is highly dependent to its strong and strategic connectivity with Dumaguete, southern Cebu, and Bohol.